Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about 2+, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by pass. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if we do first the derivative of this one, we have like this. dv, that is about ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v. So that should be about the integration, and that is about 2x squared plus s over s squared plus s ds. So we can do about factorization by s. This one by s. So s and s we simplified. Next, number 1, that is about number 2 minus number 1. Later that we can do about factorization by number 2. So this one divided by this one, that is about number 1. The integration of number 2, that is about 2s. The integration of this one, that is about Ln of the absolute value of s plus number 1. And then I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.